People, this is Jamaica Good Life. See my mama there. This is Jamaica Good Life. And so I'm getting coconut for my thing. In the tree, no matter. And this is mama. She ancient. So remember I get the big watermelon to
Yeah.
So
You have tomato already?
no, we're getting tomato also.
Okay, you're getting tomato here, so. And I have these.
Yes.
I'm going to get the pepper down there.
Now pepper.
Mix it up.
Yes. Sweet pepper.
So you get the sweet pepper already.
Okay, good. I have skin and time from you.
Yeah.
And I have cargo already too. So basically, the fight has been there, but the fight is behind me now because I'm going to be 50. They can't fight me no more. That is in the past.
They fight to tell them which to a crossroad where they have to stop in the name of our King of Kings.
So if me never dare move with you so long, you know, they would have take me out already.
Oh, you know.
Hey. But sometimes they don't know the old people them there with me, you know. They don't know. Yeah. You want me to bring it down? A birthday melon. I want to get up in the morning and eat watermelon till my food.
Whoa!
I blend the skin too.
Yeah. But one of the nutrients in it.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So the turmeric juice no good for the arthritis?
That is not the juice. That is not turmeric.
What is it? Okay. So what good for the arthritis? Because my friend had developed. Okay. My friend had developed the arthritis.
Really?
The moringa seed good for the eyes.
Yeah. 33 different containers.
So how much ice you must eat a day? 2 seeds per day? Give me some, please. So people, give me your number.
376-2448. Randy, you're losing
For the
number.
people them. 876, are they for the people?
Oh.
876
376-2448.
Good. The thing about Marcia, people, she has all the herbs. No. This is the only person in Jamaica I don't call, you know. Come always forward to the place. I don't really call her. She had the coconut oil too. So here what? Are the coconut oil? This?
No, that is, yeah,
How much for this?
3-5.
Are the coconut oil, right?
Yeah,
The good one?
Take up it. Lift up the back. Lift up the
Yeah,
back.
no. Are the real thing.
Hold on. Smell it.
Oh.
Raw coconut
Alright, put that
oil.
on my birthday list with the watermelon.
Raw
People.
coconut oil.
People see it there.
Raw
When you come to
coconut.
Jamaica,
Hold on.
especially if you're on a birthday.
See it here. This is what it made from.
Yes.
This is what this made from. The coconut.
See the people. That they on my birthday list.
Raw coconut.
We don't get things on off a pay for it. We get it for free.
Look. Look. Smell man.
You know? And I hate good for the skin.
Yeah.
I'm going to rub it up on me when me reach 50. Me just going to rub it up on me. You want them have to run come though. When you come for it, we get a rub. How about your mother sell this, juice?
No, 2.
Okay. I'm going to move fast because the car out there. Double park. But them double parking. People, Samasia there.
I am Rasta Marcia original.
Star 21.
That's right.
See? Enough for that. Let me get the big pumpkin. Lord of mercy. Let me get the big watermelon. Lord of mercy. See how I do it with Rasta Marcia and 3 coconut. And coconut oil. Boy. Or some do it some style. And she get me moringa seeds too. Don't forget that. Come here for eat 2 a day for my eyes. My 50 now, it's not a surprise I made it. They were trying to fight me, but me push them back. They can't even
King of
Kings. Up the King of Kings. They cannot, will never. Hey, they even come close as my family. And me say, no, not today. Me make it to half century. So what am I gonna do? Hey?
And let me tell you about this. You see this now?
Yeah.
So you're gonna pick it off. Remember this, the nut is inside. You can boil this and make a cup of tea, water outside.
So when your water hot, just drop 2 in your hot
No
tub.
man, just take it off.
You take it out of the sea.
Yeah, take off it.
And just drop in the water and it's good for diabetes too, cause sugar nice.
This.
Yeah.
And you can just blend this or eat it.
Blend it in the blending too.
Yeah, or eat
So what
it.
if you eat 3? Enough energy to give you too.
Yeah,
And then it's good for the eyes.
everything.
You eat it every day?
Not every day. I eat on and off. On and off.
Okay.
Remember, you know, the Father makes the earth. I remember it's not one day. So you don't eat the things them destroy body in one day. You continue up, pull away, up.
Good. So you more if you do. Match it out for me. Get bags for me soon come back. Let me give you. Let me go buy something and come back, alright? Back up everything.
Listen, come here. You see the spirit now, abide that you was attempting to give me. What you giving me? Give me.
First.
Yeah. That's the way the powers work.
Hold the camera upon me.
Oh, here comes Randy. He's shopping with Marcy at shop 21. He is my best friend, best friend. From inside or outside, I always appreciate Randy. Okay? Love in the house from above to on the earth.
Hold this for now.
On the earth.
And then do the math, me soon come.
Take up your money, pull up your money if your car drop. You got parking paper.
Alright,
pull up your money. No, set your money
Set
good,
it
right? Set your money good. Yeah. Put your money up. That's
People,
right.
I'm a mama.
Teaching us something.
In a long journey.
Yeah. Pack
I'm
up, put in
making
your
50. Zip up my pocket, right, mama?
Yeah. What you're going to buy, you're going to buy.
Mm-hmm.
And
A quick, I want to.
Come back. You give me how much? 3,000?
5. Alright? Alright. See the people, when you have good people, anything you have in your pocket, that's how you go. That is how life works. People. People here. People here, man. This is the market. And of the AC. This is Jamaica good life. Jamaica people. Get the big watermelon. Let me show you something. You see this watermelon here? You see all them things here? You see, when you come over here, come live, on the shop with the market people. You know, if you have all the money, you know, because you're taking their goods and they love you like cook food. So you can have anything you want because you support the one constantly. That's how Jamaican people live. It's not called trust, it's called love. So you can't starve down yourself if you're good with people. That's what I'm showing you, say. Jamaica good life. We good with people, so we can never starve. And that's how Jamaica works. So if you don't think you have money around Jamaica, you don't have it wrong. People are still people down here, so. You see me? So for my birthday, I need a big watermelon. Anything I want. I'm gonna get my free mango and my free moringa. You see? So I'll be healthy, lose the weight, JamaicaHealthBox.com. I'm a dip on the thing, see my brethren them there. On my birthday, you know, I should not wear the beads then, I might want to know. Where am I sell? I must sell the potato, I'm never know my G. Market people. Luigi! Yeah! Salute. Get one of the beads for me. Get one of the beads for me. The beads. Make it happen. This is my city. This is my beer where them say no pretty. But when Jamaica good life go, everybody have to know so the good is here. And we live good with the good people, the bad people, the indifference. The good is in everyone. You just have to find it. You know? So my life in Mobile is one of community and love, from the seaside to the market. Whatever we have now, we park it. We park it. Warrior, salute. See them, man. You see the Sam Shark warriors, them, you know, them all over the place. I love the warrior, them, because just like Manchester, them want to fight for the waters and protect us. So my people, them there. Yeah, this is Jamaica good life, not a cub life. Welcome home. See my black warrior, them there. And you see when you drive, you just take it easy. Everything in Jamaica, take it easy. That's it. Leave the New York City behind. Patience is a virtue. So when you wait and let everybody move through. But a lot of love down here, you know. A lot of love. And when you just move with the people, you see, the love is infinite. Yeah? You can't find it. My coconut on there right there, so we got some oil. So I go cook up some things good, and I go make a bubbling for me for tomorrow. And then I go by and eat the lunch. You see me do a dipping at the early celebration. So I really lunch, I prepare something for nice. We'll go out on the boat and go eat it and have a toast to long life. I might go today, go shave up the beard today. And then the celebration start. From the art, everything we do, from the art, that's how we do it. So bless up to Comfort, Lisa, Chin King, and the watermelon, I put up the thing, you know. So I go drop off the seasoning and the thing, so them can steam up my big swim around, so we can have a birthday. See me, my people, take care of me in a town and in the country. So the next cookout is in Manchester. You know, next one is in Miss Doris. Then we're going to jobless to do a sip. So give thanks for all the support I get from a cookout them for celebrate my birthday. It comes a time when man have to rest, you know. Cause my family, I've done my best. But give thanks to my mother, my empress. If it was not for her, there would be no me. And also give thanks to that day. My father was a police officer, and him said, whatever you do it to your best of your abilities. And that's how I turn out. And that's how I'm able to do what I do in life. But I go eat watermelon in the morning. 6 o'clock we start celebration. Yes. So my car washing, man. So up here, family, I am one of must make wash the car, mobile. Man, the positive. Nobody negative can touch my car, my vehicle. food or you can't, yeah, if you touch people things or spiritual or your energy not good, you can't go through in life. And this one of the best juice in the place. So I saw this one of the most brand of juice on the fish. But it's cool that them over here, so Biggs, and I must buy on the fish from Biggs. So yeah man, it's home, Wherever you go, just show love and everything you will receive love. No matter, even if them not show love, you just keep showing it. Just keep on showing it. And sometimes it's upsetting. People are perfect. I just say it go. But at least whoever you find, keep them close. Yes, sir. Tell man. Tell man, they're at the seaside. This is the A side, not the B side. Living in Jamaica in the good life. How many times we found a good wife, but we keep on moving, so them just moving. Indian place, vibration, mango the palm tree. You see me? With their yard. People, St. Mary. Wow, this is St. Mary. Yes. This is St. Mary, people. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful St. Mary. Yes, yeah. If right now we're in the bush, look on a chocolate tree. See it? Nice. The one already?
All of the red one.
People, first chocolate in a St. Mary. See it there? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is the spot. People, the surrounding. We'll go on to the old dragon there. All the tight now. The samurai for the mamarai. 8 o'clock, St. Mary. Yeah? 8 o'clock. St. Mary, good life. Jamaica good life. Yeah man, so I go. Yeah man. It's a one. Up on the farm. You know? For people, Jamaica good life. It's not a cub life. It is Jamaica good life. I bring that one home today. I'll cook some real mackerel with it. And you must plant banana tree now. If you don't plant it, don't cut it. Because you might lose the limbs later. Right now, this is Jamaica good life. You take care of yourself. Me eat on a banana. Stay foreign. You see when you pick up, this one I tell you something I love mobile. When you pick up barrel and send it to Dennis shipping, that's how the place look. At the nicest barrel pickup place me ever go. Hey, a free promotion. Fort Lauderdale and New York, best barrel service in Jamaica. Excellent. And the place in Mobile, no normal. Look there. And the AC turn up. Dennis, pick up on yourself. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you this. You see when I say Jamaica good life, you see the future of Jamaica, you see the company at Dennis shipping at them for the barrel from Brooklyn, New York, we shipped our barrel. If me did pay $50 more, I could have picked up the barrel right here. Now I come pay $5,000 for process the paperwork, which is about $40. And then I'm going to pay $6,000 for go to the wharf. Now, if me did have the money, I would have just pay for pick it up here. When you're in, it's best to drive your, this is the best video in our life. Drive your barrel to Fort Lauderdale. Ship it with Dennis shipping and go pick it up at the office. Pay for everything. No off, no trouble, nobody I go, no hassle. And the ambience, I've never ever come to a business in Jamaica that was so efficient. Them call me on time when the barrel did come. Them I forgot become an official sponsor of Jamaica Good Life because the building, the AC, the waiting area, the call that I got, the farms. So now we're gonna go to the wharf and see how long that take. But if me just ship the barrel, yeah, so in a less than 5 minutes. And you don't have to ship it door to door because that's more expensive. Yeah. But you ship the barrel to Mobile if you're there in Mobile. But Jaja, it was so amazing. We made have to film it. And they step them nice too. What? We send the barrel directly. So then they ship in there. Other company I run it, man. Florida and if you not, yo. Yeah, man. If you not send, look on it. Mobile, I do the thing, man. Mobile, barrel, easy one too. If you don't send anything, then it's shipping. You see me? Oh man, such a stressful day. Oh, look at those nice legs. Who that woman there? Hey, whoa, woman have nice legs. What a Wow, look at this. You know what? This, oh yeah, it's such a, it's Jamaica. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. So right now, people, I could be looking at much YouTube video. But this is how I choose, because the Almighty give choices. Jamaica good life, see it there? You like the vibe, you like the liberty. Watch your foot.
I wasn't thinking of anything.
You did see the concrete, right?
I didn't see it.
Okay.
Are you threatening me?
So now this is a fireside, so you know some not touch the pork around. We give them your number. Jamaica Good Life YouTube, 45,000. See the greatest. Give me your number.
Yeah.
Every time I do a video,
Yeah.
I go put your video in there.
Alright.
Because the way you do things,
I'm professional way.
different. You take everything from me. And what is your name?
Tony.
What's your number?
464.
You're the greatest. Let me tell you why Tony are the greatest people. You check everything for me. And certain things wasn't tightened, and fix it. This are the Bob Marley and the Wheeler car. And this car come on mobile to start the money school. And that car I got teach your young girl in a South Spring how to make money from China. So get a youth can survive. And Tony are the mechanic. And nobody ever tell me say the thing dirty.
Yeah, that's why they designed this.
So how you know say the dirty?
Because asbestos, and after a period of time, you bring debris.
So when you
So these things squeak at times.
so you heard it?
Yeah, I'm here. Here, this some of the turbines.
How long you do this thing?
Actually, years from about 12 or so.
So they rate you run yourself?
Yeah, we have good
With
amount
no
of
free
customers.
time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I mean, we have time for
But the way you move fast still.
yeah. One black thing will be plucked out here, so we provide from extra dust. See it here.
So now the breaker go sharper now.
Yeah. You have more brake on your foot because I adjust it up.
People, all over Jamaica, come up here. I'm up here the best mechanic, them quick. No scamming thing.
No scary.
There's not enough time for that. I'm not gonna have your car sit down for 3 weeks and talk about this, that.
We specialize in the transmission and engine.
In you out. That is what mobile is about. I may experience it myself. Yeah, man. You see the people, see the man there, Jaja. So you said 2 strut car, if we can't even get them today, and I'm going to look on the mats, you might have spin back round, you see. Remember I said 2 car I work on and one time, you know, brother. You see me? And the way you move fast, when you find something new, Ryan, go get this. Boom, turn on, back. Right away, they're not even done. Strut change, that tighten, that done. Ready for rental. You see me? Because you see people outside of them nervous when it comes to car, you know.
Yeah, that's in Kingston.
All from the case, man. When a man for work at Jamaica for a thing, a whole long story. But you see only down yourself, right at that spot yourself?
Right away.
Oh my God. Boom. See it there? Who would have ever known the legendary car will get hearing aid for 98-year-old woman?
Yeah.
You see me I say?
Way before that. So this car was the top vehicle where you say, what was it here?
No, you see, it's a Jamaica Good Life car.
Okay.
And the family, them and donors help to buy it.
Okay.
For service and get charity for poor people.
Okay.
So this car is doing work across Jamaica for poor people.
Yeah.
And I start a movement in a trench town right now where I build house for poor people.
Yeah.
So it's a very special car because
You didn't donate a lot. It's doing a lot.
you get called because of this.
Yeah.
Man we can't read get birth certificate
Because of this.
because of this vehicle. You get him driver's license. 2 farmers get them driver's license. Woman will sell sweetie on street get more money to buy more sweetie. You see me I say? People in the port where, yo, the amount of people.
It's a very efficient vehicle.
Yeah, but it's spiritual now, we say. It was yeah, man, it has a history. So at some point it's going to be in a museum.
Yeah, this vehicle here.
Yeah, because a 600,000 video me upload to the internet from 2005, you know.
Yeah.
And it wasn't this vehicle, but at this continue the movement.
Okay.
So now, when it comes to herbal information and set the pace on YouTube, how we set the pace?
Alright.
The reason why I say Jamaica Culture Upload and Jamaica Good Life are the foundation.
So your channel is
and
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life. So the focus is positivity.
That's
when
right.
people don't want to come home, and we try through Jamaica and show them say,
he's still active.
I know hell.
Still active.
When them say Mobile, no, we show them Harmony Park.
Yeah.
When them say no go Mobile, can't pay scammer there on demons, me say no, you can't call Tony no demon. You nah, go for it.
Not like that.
No. And then we come out here and show them say get a youth to work.
Yes, man. I work hard to you.
What you mean, man? So I'm glad to meet you and the world I go get to see.
Yes, man.
A 5-star endorsement.
5-star.
5-star. 5-star mechanic people.
Yes, man.
All Jamaican. If you bring on a car your son and say, yo, Tony, just look for everything. You'll be surprised.
Confirmation check.
You see? Come never know that this wrong with it. Some man just look for one thing, then he left it to one.
You have to confirm everything because remember when you do high speed mission, from when you're doing GTR 60,
Yeah.
any hero on the road doing high speed, you can't hurt yourself. Okay. Huh? You're confident. You go, when we go, give me about 10 minutes, I will call one brother and see if he have. Here? Yeah.
In and out.
In and out. So for this vehicle, that is that.
Possibly if we can't get the money, that is that. Me back again.
With this truck.
One day.
Yes, man. No problem.
Alright? With this strut. People, don't say nothing. We cut back on the mutton, cut back on the cow, choose the pop show. So, you know, you're going to work on this now.
You have to keep a minute to make it cool. Because you water pump, a coolant can use.
Yes, people, Jamaica, good life, Randy. Well, I'll fix the car right now. We'll start there. You have to watch where you walk on the road, you know. So I walk from the mechanic, you see me? So what you have to know about Jamaica is that enough of the people are not positive. So sometimes when you go places and you smile and you're positive, sometimes you have to hold it down. Because not everybody have an upbeat positivity about them. So the water place this. And then I can pay my bill. I could transfer to go pay water bill. Are the water places, right? We can't pay my bill today? Chance, yeah? Love it, man. So I can hang out and have a picnic over here, sir. We can have a picnic with my family on the grounds?
Yes, you can bring somebody with you and just pay your bill.
Yeah, but we want to have a picnic on a barbecue. Oh, come on. We have a picnic on a barbecue. No picnic or barbecue? No? I go pay water bill. Up on water place. Them have water for water. Things. Beautiful Jamaica. Beautiful flowers. I want to thief some of them. I cut off piece of this there. If I know someone I go pay water bill, I'm going to call and make them pay for me too.
We don't tell you.
Hey. Oh, see there? Ah, angel, not angel. See how, you see how God is good to me. Hey people. You see one thing with Jamaica better than anywhere else in the world. One thing I love Jamaica for. Them have as much as the people them, the positive one them out there now. And when you're passing them, you just say something. You activate them energy and you just feel the love instantly. So I'm telling you something, you say Jamaica is a place. When you go on foot, you know, You're safer than when you're anything else in your life. Everybody on foot, see you on foot. And you just go through and everybody get up on the same level. You know, in a car, watch the man, you know, what I'm gonna say to you. Yes, Jaja, you're good. Morning. Yeah, so you have to test and say who's who. Take your time. Now look on that building up there, son. That little tent them like how them build it. Okay. Me like how them build that. See it there? Look a camp there nice. How much posts them I use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 posts. So them I use 7 posts on it. And after they use 7 posts, then get a metal at the top. After they get the metal at the top, then get a metal to top it off. Then they lock the board with the screw them. And then drill straight through to lock the board and screw them upon the metal topping. Yeah. And then now them send them there what? Them there 4x4. Them send the 4x4 them and then them base it. And get send the 4x4 then them base it. Yeah. And then them send down the wood now. Them send the thing. So now them top it off with okay, them lock the main board them, that's so. So them lock the main with a metal come down for each of the board them. And them send them up on top there so. They make them center rod. Them have them support system there so. You see? And then with them support system then put some screw in the support system. Then concrete the base. And then them get the plywood. And then them get the thing for shingle for the done. That's a big room. No space in them can wood the side it, but you see how okay. And them support it. Yeah, and they support itself. Nice. I'm going to build something like this. That's a nice size. Then your house done. That's it. Jaja. Beautiful. Okay, baby. Nice. Someone want to know if we do it online. National Water Commercial Office. Okay, so this is in Mobile. I want to build something like that. That is wonderful. That's how I want for a nice house on the mountain. So these are the things, customer parking. So I can park here for pay the bill. That's it. Them are apple tree. Sorry people, I'm gonna pay a bill with talk later. The building I see more of. So it make the man weld the thing that's of him. Right? That is design. So I'm cut a plate and do it.
Yeah.
And the little thin one, a hardware you buy that?
Yeah, one day. Yeah.
And you have to do that in order for support.
Yeah.
Now this bolt.
Yeah.
Okay. So you drill a hole first and then you use a lug tool.
I'm using drill and screw.
Boom, unlock him. But if it go all the way through that with a steel, even more powerful with a steel. We love your work, man. We love your work, cause then now them can frame the outside.
Yeah, man, you can't do anything.
Them are gonna leave it open?
Yeah, them say I'm gonna leave it open for your house. Advertise.
What am I build it for?
Just a party here.
So now how you hold on the thing? A tar? You mix anything for hold on them, yeah?
Let me show you.
Oh, it comes sticky at the thing.
It comes with the plastic here.
And you just lay it
On
on.
this side. Here I have plastic. So we just here I have plastic and we just do it. Yes, sir. See? Yes, sir.
They make videos, so measurement.
Okay.
Yeah, you know. I can that measurement there.
Yeah.
The door open.
Yeah.
And
See
then some little tack nail when we tack.
Oh. Flathead.
Yes.
Big flathead nail. What's it? Flathead one. See them here? Are them? No, they're not the rest. Okay, with the washer tool, you put it on. So people see it there, see more. You can build things for you. You build board house too?
Yeah.
So if somebody needs a nice cabin, and you them car?
Yeah.
So you just tack this on it?
Yeah, we just tack this. Right here or something.
Yeah.
And hold it down. Straight across.
I always look for, I'm Jamaica Good Life. I look for people and promote them.
Yeah.
Business for free. That's one of the service we do. So if we see somebody where, you know, got enough people up there, too much people rob them and this and that and that, you know. So you bring the giants them together, boom. Giants them together, boom. Lock them in. Yes, you lock him in, and then you frame him off. Nice work. So you went to school for this?
I never said no, I went to school for it.
You never?
Just go on site, because we do mason work too.
Mm-hmm.
Just go on site and
So you can build anything from scratch?
Yeah, from
Steel too?
yeah, steel. Only like current alone, you know.
Steel?
Yeah,
So if you build something like this that is just mason,
Yeah.
you have to do the steel work yourself?
Yeah, just the current alone, you know.
Level off, wicked foundation, nah shake, lock.
Just lock, shape, right now.
So you,
Just the current alone, you know.
and you flash off and finish up too?
Finish up.
You have finish up too?
Yeah. That's our render.
No crack won't come on your finishing?
No crack.
Why? You
Crack, you see when you cause a crack, material too rich or material too poor.
So you know if you mix it so it
Yeah,
right.
You know, when you go and if all of that work in it, mix it myself.
So you reassure, you know your thing.
No merge. 1, 2, 3, concrete.
Well, you never built a tank before.
Yeah, man.
Tank.
From start to finish.
Tank where a sandwich like in the mix two layer block.
Two layer block.
Not just one, cause
More I use like a 6 inches, 8 inches block. I have a box and cast.
so if we bring you up on a site, you sleep over till everything done. Just give you money. You now left the site until the work done.
From money right, you know.
You now go home, go spend out the money on go dance and then say the work not done.
One girl we deal with now. One girl at this morning.
See, people, I'm going to know him number, you know, because what parish you come from?
St. James here.
Yeah,
But I'm being up in the hill near, like nearer to St. Elizabeth.
yeah. So if we bring you up on a site, you're not left till the work done.
No, just bring me man. What percentage there be
Shakalaka, them say Happy Father's Day to Randy. Thank you, Benetta, you never disappoint. Enough of the road, them don't know the time and the day of time. So Anna is a good father all the time. So even when them now call me, them can't stop my beauty and my love. I'm overstand a 3 juice, I get 3 juice and a 2 juice, a 3 juice. What the name of the place? 3 juice, father. I eat your food, blessed and love and give thanks, you see? Of the night. I saw we do for Father's Day. Yeah, Father's Day dinner. Hey, he's a winner. No fun no sinner. Later. Jamaica. No fun only a foreign and look for my status. Stop watch my status and watch another one. My own food. Later. Alright, ice cream for the body. You know, love everybody. Jamaica Good Life. Let's say, see it there? That's Jamaica Good Life. Look at this. People. The vibe is crazy. Devon House in Montgomery right now. It's a place you want to be on Father's Day. The ice cream nice and big, you know? You know it's not this I'm still mobile, Jamaica good man. Yeah man. All my friends. Life short, you know. Friends have cancer and take her out to make sure relax and think. Eat some ice cream. Live a little life. Roll a little dice. Down and out. Yeah, so we get some burger. First time see that. Boom. Burger look wicked. What's the one going with him? Father's Day, you know. So have a great today. An amazing breakfast. About 4 2 beetroot juice. Another one. I'm missing me 2 ice cream. I know I'm gonna slap down a burger. Don't keep me work now. I'm gonna sleep and then wake up. This one. Stop watch my food and stop watch my style and stop watch everything I do and stop watch my status. No cook no one food and mind on the business. This is Montego Bay restaurant called Sweet Spice. Come around 11:30 order your food because it's always packed. Sweet Spice. Sweet Spice. These are secrets. You want me now, a brethren find my Cash App card and him text me a request for $100, $1. And after him text me, then him may send the money, then him text me back him number. So there's good people in the world. Him work our secrets. And it's a beautiful news that people out there are good in Jamaica. I know I'm gonna get the card back soon. This is Secrets Jamaica. I don't know how it's set. Lovely. Yo, Secrets Jaja. I'm gonna see it online. It looks beautiful. Never stayed here. Yeah, Secrets Jamaica. Hey, look like I have a war sanctuary hunting and swimming pool hunting. Jaja, so I'm gonna get the Cash App card back and find it. Yo, people, good people there in Jamaica. So, you know, that's what I said. Yeah, man.